Assalamu alaikum everyone, and BONK is concerning again, and what I'm going to say is this was a massive bull run in the middle of a bull run, okay, or maybe at the start of a bull run. You already have a bull run with BONK, got the attention of so many people right here, and 11,000% is crazy, man. 100x, we're talking about 100x, so wow, just incredible. And secondly is EMAs are everything right now. If you want to know if BONK is going to go down or not, EMAs should be the solution to this little bit of tricky situation, because you never know. I mean, no one can tell you that this bull run was ever going to start, by the way. You're going to have 11,000% move up. Nobody can tell you that. And honestly, it's also hard to tell you that if it's going to stop and continue even higher and higher, right? It's hard to say. When you're in a bull market, you're in a bull market in a freestyle zone, and you can just keep moving to wherever the hell you want to move, wherever the place you want to go to the upside, wherever these market makers want to push or the whales want to push the prices. And using TA, you can use these EMAs, at least for now, because there are no particular patterns that can come in and save the day. Patterns can be destroyed, because right now there seems to be a little bit of a continuation that we may see forming up still, and that is this one right over here. Who knows, you can actually just come down like this and make a flag here, go up here, make a flag, come down, and then pop up and start to push even a little bit higher, because that's exactly what happened. When you went up, you came down, you make a flag, right? You went up, you came down, you make a flag right there, and then you pushed even a little bit higher. So it has this habit of pumping up, making a flag, and then going up. So we may see a pump up, maybe just make a bigger flag down all the way to 9,000, 99,000, and then make this flag pop up and then start to push even higher, because EMAs are still intact, okay? This bull cross is still maintained, even though you have drops here, because you may be suffering looking at the 1 hour and the 15 minutes. That's a different story. But right now, to me, the best ideal, the bird's view, basically, if you zoom out on the daily, it's much more better, because you get a bigger picture of what's going on. And that is, if you're coming down, if you're holding this, it's still even probably okay to rain down all the way to 20 EMA. But if you now start to get the cross between the 10 and the 20, right? If you come down like this and start to lose it, and you start to make a bear cross of the yellow and the red color lines here, then we can have the biggest hint that the 55 is the place where you're going to come down to, and that is 6,645, and this is the last point of the EMA. Could even touch this and then continue higher, right? So it's a step-by-step process. Lose these two EMAs, you come to 55 and touch it and move higher, and the worst case scenario is you go down, you make that cross, you come to the to the 55, lose the 55 and make the bear cross, and that's where you may see a bigger dump, which we'll talk about in the future if it is supposed to happen. And that's it for this update. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.